Hello everyone, myself Shailja Shah, lecturing in IC Department, Government Polytechnic Gandhinagar. Today we are going to learn basic digital gates. Our contents are introduction, types of basic gates, AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. First, we will learn what is logic gate. All logic gates have the ability to accept either one or two input signal and generate one output signal. In this first diagram, there is one input and one output. In second diagram, there are two inputs and one output. Digital gate works on binary logic. Now, what is binary quantity and variable? A binary quantity is one that can take only two states. Means, in this diagram, there is one switch and lamp. There are only two states of this switch. Either it is open or it is closed. And two status of lamp, either it is off or on. Here we take open state as 0 and closed state as 1 and off as 0 and on as 1. There are basically three types of logic gates: AND, OR and NOT. A binary arrangement with two switches in series is shown in diagram. The question is that for which input the lamp will be on. The answer is when these both switches are closed, the lamp will be glow. Means if both input logics are 1, then output of lamp will be 1. This is AND gate. AND gate. In AND gate, output is only 1 if both inputs are 1. This is symbol of AND gate. This is its truth table. And this is its expression C is equal to A into B. So, if A and B both are 0, output is 0. 0 into 1, output is 0. 1 into 0, output is 0. And 1 into 1, output is 1. See the next diagram. In this, two switches are connected in parallel. The now question is when lamp will be glow. You can see from this diagram that if A is 1, means A is closed, then lamp will be glow. Either B will be closed, then also lamp will be glow. And if both A and B are closed, then also lamp will be glow. So lamp will be glow in three cases. Any of input is 1, then output of lamp will be 1. This is called OR gate. The output of OR gate is 1 when any of input is 1. This is symbol of OR gate. This is expression for OR gate. C is equal to A plus B. This is truth table for OR gate. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. And 1 plus 1 is also 1. So output is 1 in three cases. Whenever any one input is 1, then output will be 1. The last third gate is the NOT gate. It is also called inverter. The output of gate is inversing of input. This is symbol of NOT gate. If input is 0, then output is its inversing, means output is 1. And if input is 1, then its output is 0. This is called complement, means in NOT gate, the output is complement of input. Expression is B is equal to A bar. Meaning of A bar is complement. So, in this session, we learn three basic types of digital gates: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. And we had also learned symbol, truth table and Boolean expressions of these three basic gates. There are also other many types of basic gates. We will learn this and in next lecture.